Hello guys and welcome back to another Minecraft video after a while. What's this? You can't see me? Oh, well, here I am. Yep, I have become a grass block, as you can see. So this video is a tutorial on how to do just this in Minecraft with command blocks. As you can see here, there are some command blocks placed here. If I turn this lever off, I will go back to normal. Hello there. So the way this works is by summoning an armor stand with a falling block entity riding the armor stand, which happens with this command here. Okay, so here's the command. It's actually quite long. You cannot fit the whole thing in here. So what I'm going to do is put the command in the description of the video so you can copy it from there, I guess. So this is the summon command. We summon an armor stand at the player's location since it executes at my location. So this is the important part. Here is the MBT. So you have passengers, which will be the falling block, which is a list of objects, and the first thing is ID, which is falling block, and then you have additional NBT for the falling block, which is block state. Block state is also an object which has name, and this here you set what block you want. So I have I have done grass block, so it's Minecraft grass block here. If you want stone or anything else, you can put that here. Next you have no gravity on the block, and this is also important, the time. So normally what happens when you summon a falling block is that after a while it just disappears or pops off into an item. What this will do is make it last for a very long time. Basically it's a very small number, it's in the negatives. It will make the falling block last for about 3 years, and you don't have a Minecraft world running for 3 years. Next is the tags which are put onto the armor stand. So I've put tag block on the armor stand, and it's invisible and no gravity. And this is the teleport command, which constantly teleports the armor stand to me. So it's executing at me, and then we check the tag block, and then we teleport it to this specific position. And negative 1.48 is so that the block aligns with the player correctly, and this is just to give invisibility to the player. It's quite simple, and both of these are on repeat, and this is the summon command. And on the other hand, these are just simple kill commands on a redstone torch signal. So when I turn this off, uh, all of the teleportation and invisibility turns off, and these kill commands run, killing the armor stand and the falling block. But it is a bit inconvenient to like press this lever to be able to transform it to the block. So what I will do is create some sort of item switch something which you can carry in your inventory, and then trigger this command block from that thing. And I don't know how to do that yet, but I will figure it out, and then I will create it and come back to you. And I'm back after figuring out and creating this thing. It's a book. If I right click it, you can see there are two buttons, enable and disable, and if I click enable, I will become a block, and if I click disable, I will transform back into normal. Now I did this with this command, which is, hold on, again it's quite long, so this will also be in the description. It's a give command to myself. Make sure you write your own name here instead of mine. We give a written book with bunch of NBT, and the NBT is for the buttons or the link, the clickable text, whatever you want to call it, which runs a command. And those commands basically place and remove a redstone block from here. So previously I had a lever here to just turn this on and off, but since I'm using this, I am placing a redstone block through command and placing air through command with these buttons. So if I get rid of this and then press this, you can see it gives me a new book, which is the exact same thing. So if I now go into the book and click on enable, you can see I transform and it places a redstone block here, turning this whole thing on. And if I click disable, it removes the redstone block. And it works exactly like if I would turn on and off the lever that was here previously. So once again, I will put all the commands in the description of the video, and don't forget to put your own gamer tag or username instead of mine, otherwise it will not work. And this was about it for this video, I think. Press like if you like the video, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet already. And I will see you next time.